Well, they may not be as popular as gold these days, but plenty of investors and analysts are now paying attention to platinum and palladium because for the very first time, American investors can buy those metals through exchange-traded funds. Sarah Eisen stepping out of the currency space for us today. She's on our markets desk, and she's been looking at access through these ETFs.
That's right. They're related to currencies markets. These ETFs were launched on Friday, and they have been hot. We're talking about tickers PPLT for platinum, PALL for palladium. We've seen lots of activity into these ETFs, about 30 to 40 million shares trading each day. Before today, that's double the average for the popular gold ETF and the natural gas ETF. And analysts tell us that all of these new investment flows into the ETFs are actually very bullish for the underlying metals themselves. And the idea here is that the ETFs are backed by actual metals, backed by palladium and by platinum. So it tilts the whole supply and demand equation. When investors run to buy these ETFs, it drives up supply, it drives up demand, and that drives up the prices of the actual metals there. It happened to GLD, that's the gold ETF. Lots of activity into that ETF last year helped gold prices reach a record high. So we could start to see the same thing in platinum and palladium, which have already been on a bull run, as you know, outperforming even gold.
I thought in 2010 we were supposed to begin to see the divorce between that run-up in gold prices, in metals, and the weaker dollar. Tell me what's different here, and tell me why these metals, via the ETFs, are a competitive advantage over gold.
Well, that's true. Dollar's always going to play a role here in precious metals prices. They have that strong inverse correlation. There is talk, though, that they could separate. And the idea here with platinum and palladium specifically is they're useful. They're more useful even than gold and silver, not just in jewelry. They factor into auto production. So as we see the U.S. recovery story pick up and the global recovery story, car sales pick up, all of these factors are very bullish for platinum and palladium. And analysts tell us at Standard Chartered that these ETFs are actually a great way to play the global recovery story.
All right. Well, we're going to take a look. Platinum, palladium as ETF options. Thank you so much, Sarah Eisen.